Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Chevy Colorado door handle. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. You'll also need your new door handle assembly. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine off. It's a good idea to protect your interior with a clean cloth before you begin. Next, we'll remove the door panel. Start by locating and removing any visible screws, often found behind trim pieces or in the armrest. Use your trim removal tool to carefully pry off these covers. Once the screws are out, gently disconnect any electrical connectors for power windows or door locks. Then, lift the entire door panel upwards and away from the door frame. Now let's replace the handle itself. With the door panel off, you'll see the old handle. Carefully detach it from its mounting points, usually with a few screws. Disconnect the linkage rods or cables that operate the latch mechanism. Then, connect these rods to your new door handle assembly. Make sure everything is securely attached before proceeding to the next step. Finally, it's time for reassembly and testing. Reconnect all electrical connectors to your door panel. Carefully align the door panel and push it back into place, ensuring all clips engage. Reinstall all the screws and trim pieces you removed earlier. Before closing everything up, test the new door handle several times to confirm it operates smoothly and latches correctly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.